first concept, that is charge. Alright, so let's understand what is charge. Charge is the basic intrinsic property of a matter. Charge is always associated with mass. To explain you what is in charge, let me explain you with an example. So if I have something over here, that is, let's suppose my hands. We know we all are made up of atoms, right? And atoms are made up of electrons, protons and neutrons. So what are electrons? So if I rub my hand on anything, then the electrons jump from one place to another. So due to transfer of electrons, mass also gets transferred. Therefore, I say this statement that charge is associated with mass. If there is a transfer of charge, it means there is a transfer of mass even. So this is how it looks like. And what is the actual meaning of charge means how positive or how negative something is. That's what charge means, how positive or how negative something is. Alright, you also understand what is a charge. I'm positively charged, I'm negatively charged. You understand, right? So like humans are also on a charge. Like someone is a positive thinker, so he's always positively charged, and some people are negative thinkers, so he's always negatively charged. Alright, this is just an example to explain you, but actual meaning of something positively charged means it's lacking electrons, and the meaning of something negatively charged, it's full of electrons, excessive electrons. That's what positive or negative charge means. Now coming to the point, that is quantization of charge. Now right now I'm going to explain you what is quantization of charge. The formula is Q equals to NE. Let me tell you the statement. The statement is, on any body, suppose this tree, on any body, the complete charge is equals to integral multiple of the charge on a single electron. Means suppose this tree has some kind of charge, let's suppose something, so that charge will be equals to n, where n is an integer like 12, 13, 15, 16, or any negative integer, minus 15, minus 16. Alright, so the complete charge on this is equals to an integer like 12 or minus 12 or whatever, multiplied by the charge on a single electron, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. Means the total charge on any object is the integral multiple of charge on a single electron. That's what quantization of charge tells. Now we're going to understand the term charge density in three different ways. So the first way to understand charge density is, one is lambda, one is sigma, one is rho. So lambda means linear charge density. So what is a linear charge density? That is charge per unit length. Charge per unit length is called linear charge density. Now comes the sigma. It's charge per unit area. Sigma is what? Charge per unit area is called areal charge density, or charge density per unit area. Both are the same thing. Now I'm going to tell you charge per unit volume is denoted by rho. Charge per unit volume is denoted by rho. So these were the three ways in which we can calculate the charge density.